All right, so now that we've got the adding tasks and the persistent data saved in local storage, let's work on the other menu options, toggle the task. And toggle means we're going to switch it from being completed to uncompleted, etc. So toggle task is right here. All we're going to do here is first we're going to ask the user which task, and we're just going to keep it simple and just use the index number. So we'll say let index be assigned prompt, enter number of task. Okay, and I should be consistent. I've been using single quotes through most of the program, and it doesn't matter double or single quotes, that's up to you. And I am expecting this to be a number, so I'll put a plus sign in front. I don't think it totally matters in this case because I'm not going to be doing any like formulas, but I expect a number, let's convert it to a number. So when they hit toggle task, it should ask enter the number of the task. Okay, and then what I want to do is if I would then go task at index, that would give me the object. So, just to make it easier so I don't have to go task at index all the time, let's just store the task that they want in a local variable called task. And this should be my object, right, that has the description and the completed. And what I need to do here is we'll say toggle completed status of the user requested, that's weird, of a task, right, the task that's given by the user. So now I can go task.completed, and if that equals the empty string, I want to toggle it, and I want to assign it. Remember, triple equals is checking for equality, single equals is the assignment operator. So I want to complete it, if it's equal to the empty string, I want it to be the string completed. And it'll do an else. If it's not the empty string, it must be completed. So I want to assign it to be the empty string. And that should toggle it. And then we should call display all again, because once we make the change, we want to be able to see we want to redraw all the tasks to see that they're changing. Now, we didn't do anything at all about this completed yet. And what I'd like to do is do like a line through or a strike through or whatever if something is completed. So we need to change that in our beautiful get task HTML string. And what I'm going to suggest we do, this is the reason why I wanted the completed to be an empty string or the word completed, is because I want to add a class to my div, and the class is going to be the status or the current value of my completed property. So if task.completed is empty, then this class equals will just be empty. But if task.completed is equal to the word completed, then the class will equal completed. And I can go to my style sheet and we can add a class called completed, which will have a text, I think it's text decoration of line through. Bam. Okay, save that. So if we inspect our elements now, you should see that in our task div here, yes, it's got this class, but it's empty because all of the tasks, the completed properties are empty. But if we toggle something now, number 1 maybe, it'll redraw it, and now it'll add class equals completed to that div, right? And then it has that style on it. And if we toggle it again, ta-da, it changes back and forth. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right, so again, that's why that task.completed, if it's the empty string, it won't add the class. If it's equal to completed, it'll add the class to it, and it'll show the line through. And I think that's it for this one. All right, remove task next.